Mark Nonoy is a Filipino professional basketball player for the Terrafirma Dyip of the Philippine Basketball Association. On January 28, 2024, Nonoy entered the pro scene upon joining the Iloilo United Royals of the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. Mid-season during the PBA Season 49 draft, Nonoy was selected with the 10th overall pick by the Terrafirma Dyip, but due to his contractual commitments with Iloilo, he wasn't able to sign for the team immediately. On October 17, 2024, with his loan season in the MPBL finished, Nonoy signed with Terrafirma under a 2-year deal. Mark Nonoy first played for the UST's high school team, the Tiger Cubes, in 2018. Upon graduation from high school, he joined the UST Growling Tigers college team for the 2019 season. In his rookie year, he won the UAAP Rookie of the Year award, but his stay in UST didn't last for long though, as he alongside Deo Kuao transferred to De La Salle amidst UST's Sursagan bubble controversy. He went on to win a championship with the Green Archers in 2023. Nonoy played for University of Santo Tomas UST Growling Tigers and De La Salle University DLSU Green Archers during his college career, where he won a championship with the latter in 2023. In 2024, he turned pro after joining the Iloilo United Royals of the Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League MPBL before getting drafted by and signed with Terrafirma later that year.